Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out this website right here called Snakzy, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money just for playing games, okay? Let's check it all out. Let's find out if this is the good or the ugly, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to earn $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money online, so let's check out Snakzy to find out whether this is a good or bad way to earn money, right? So this is basically called a GPT app. It's kind of like a gaming website. You can come here, you can create an account for free. This is mainly for Android, and it's available in most countries, but there are some countries that are not available. So download it, check it out, see if it works for you in your country. If it does, then great, you can check it out. I'll show you how to do it right now. If you can't, then don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. There are other ways to make money online, all right? But this particular app is basically a gaming app, and you can make money by playing games. And they have all sorts of different games like puzzle games, adventure games, platform games, and they all pay between roughly about $2 to $30, right? Depending on how far you get in the game, okay? So these are kind of like paid offer games where basically you play the game, and as you hit different milestones in the game, you're going to get different coins and different points for the different milestones. So let's just say it's Harvest Land, right? So with Harvest Land, they will pay up to 120,000 coins, all right? But in order for you to make those coins, you have to hit different milestones. For example, you have to hit level 10, then you have to hit level 20, then level 50, then level 100. And as you go further, they will pay you more and more coins, and then later on down the line you can exchange these coins for different amounts of money, which we'll talk about in a second, right? So that's kind of how it works, right? So that means that if you're playing a game but you suck at it, and even if you play the game for 2 hours but you're not progressing in the game, you're not going to make that many points. So it's really about being able to progress in the game and get better and better, right? And so as you can imagine, this will take a little bit of time. So maybe to get to level 5, level 10, it's not that difficult, but to get to level 50, level 100, level 200, that's going to take some skill and some time. And that's kind of how this particular app works, okay? Now on top of that, you can sort of level up, get bonus points, so you can log in every single day. You can open different boxes and things like that, win some extra points. So make sure you do that every single day. But the main point of this particular app is to just play the games, spend time on it, progress through the games, and as you level up through the games, you're going to reach different milestones and you'll get awarded different points, okay? Now, you can withdraw your points into real money in different ways, but the major way is through PayPal, all right? So they've got a $5 threshold, and in order to reach $5 is roughly about 5,000 coins. So it's about $1,000 coins per dollar, all right? And the big question is how long is it going to take you to get to $5, right? Well, it just depends on your skill and a little bit of luck too. So what game did you pick? Did they have a good reward system? And are you actually good at the game, right? Because if you're playing a puzzle game, but maybe you're not so good at it, it's going to be difficult for you to progress and hit those milestones, all right? But roughly, if you're playing an okay game and you're doing all right, you can expect to earn roughly between $1 to $2, maybe $3 per hour of your time, all right? So it's not something where you're going to make fast money. This is definitely, one of those patience things and a little bit of skill too, right? If you're good at a particular game, you might be able to progress pretty quickly. Some other games may be a little bit more, slower. So roughly about $1 to $3 per hour you can expect from Snakzy, right? But the nice thing about this app is that it's legit, it's free, it's global, it's available for pretty much all Android users in most countries. Some countries it's not available, but most countries, and they really do pay out, which is cool, right? So you don't really have to invest any money, you don't have to jump through any hoops or anything like that to make money on this particular app. Unfortunately, this is not going to replace your full-time income. Okay, so this is one of those things where you're gonna earn a little bit of extra money on the side here and there. I would say that this is really good if you enjoy playing games, because they've got some pretty cool games on here. Again, puzzle games, adventure games, platform games, and they're always adding new games every single week. The more you play, the more games you get access to, which is pretty cool, right? It's pretty engaging, the app, but you're not going to get rich this way, okay? This is more like if you just enjoy playing games and you want to get rewarded a little bit for playing those games, then here's a cool, nice little way to do that, all right? But if you want to quit your full-time job, if you want to make big income, unfortunately, Snakzy is not going to help you to do that, all right? But if you want to check it out and you want to download it, you can just head to the Google Play Store and you can download it and play some games, earn a little bit of rewards on the side, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now and maybe you're looking for a way to generate big income, right? On this channel, I have reviewed so many different strategies in order to do that. Now, I've seen a lot of not so great strategies. There's some okay ones and just a small handful of really, really good ways to make big money 100% online, right? So reviewed all sorts of websites, apps, video games, watching different videos and strategies and things like that, different business models. And out of all of them, there was one that I used to completely change my life. I've generated hundreds of thousands of dollars from this particular strategy. If you would like to check that out, I've got a masterclass that documents the process. You can access it by clicking the link right below this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Snakzy. All the best to you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care.